Kei aku whanaunga tēnā rawa atu kōrua, a kāti taku pātai tuatahi ākune ka puta tēnei whakaari ki tūranga nei, kei te pēhe o kōrua piropiro.
Kei te tino āmaimai. Engari, e hareiti mea āmaimai ana ki ngā pūkenga o tau mātou kapa. E āmaimai ana i te poto noho, te wā. While I'm nervous, I'm also really, really excited. I think I'm most nervous about standing it up in front of our own, because we already know that our own are our biggest critics.
I'm very excited. I can't wait for the whānau to see what we have in store for them. Just like Annie was saying, we've got heaps of pukenga in our rōpū, and I can't wait for them to be able to get the chance to just smash it on stage and whakaatu ki te ao o rātou pukenga.
Hea rā te kaupapa o tēnei whakaari nei, Whakapaupākihi?
Whakapaupākihi is about three brothers and the journey they go through on the East Coast. Three eponymous ancestors of te Tairawhiti, Taua Tōmua, Taua i te Rangi, Mahaki ewe Karoro and Hauiti anō hoki. So the story talks about their journey and also their mother Iranui.
Ultimately, it's a musical, i te mutunga iho. And while our goal is to eventually have a musical that every wahanga he waiata, at the moment, because we're only in a development season, it's about going, all right, does this song work or does this song not work? Does this reo work or does it not work? Does this set work or not? So that's pretty much what we're doing in this development season. But ngā waiata, te kaumāwaru ngā waiata, we've got 18 songs in this phase, I suppose, of tēnei whakāturanga. Katoa rātou, nā mātou ko akutungane, i tito i roto i ngā tau e ono. I whakaaro mātou, e puta atu ai tēnei whakaari ki te ao, me tūwhera ngā tatau ki te ao katoa. Nā reira, i pōhiri atu ki te marea kia tae mai ki tēnei kaupapa, I think we had 160 people register to come and be a part of this kaupapa. 93 attended in Auckland and Tūranga, Kikona ki Tūranga, and we only could pick 15. So we were like, oh my God. We couldn't also just turn away these amazing talent. It was just a bonus that they also happened to have whakapapa ki konei. Hoi anō, i tīmata tēnei hunga i te Mei, te marama o Mei, so they'll be going since May. Whakapaupākihi is not just another show for them, it's become a vehicle for them ki te whaihononga anō ki tō rātou whakapapa. Whereas for te hunga te ahi kao konei, for them it's Kare paku rere ke rata, you know, tamararo atu, tamararo mai. It's like, here we go, another show. But to see them really showcase their superpowers as well has been incredible.
Whanaunga, not too long ago, haere tahi tāua ki Te Aoporo Nui. Do you see this production in big lights on Broadway?
I tell you what, cousin, we've already got people in Broadway asking us to go there. At the moment, it's surreal for us because we're like, man, we're just telling the stories of our tipuna, you know? And when you have people in Broadway who are, hey, we want some of that, so that's not the major goal, but that's definitely something to aspire for us, you know, for us to aspire to, because they're at that level, then we can be seen as normalising it in a global setting. Normalising our stories, normalising our language in a global setting as well. So Broadway, absolutely, maybe another 6 years, but we'll get there.